Do you need a light for a dark cupboard or for under your bed storage? I have the perfect light for you. USB charge. Two options. You could hook this into a port right next to where you are installing this. You could always have a light that you could take off charge, move it around, or you could mount this without running any electrical. Lots of uses for this. Let me show you more info on this. Welcome to Travel Around Susie. I wanted to show you guys this product that I've actually using for probably 3 years now. It is a light. It's a 2-pack. I do not know how to pronounce that name. Good luck if you can. It is a wireless motion sensor LED light. It comes 2-pack. It comes with a light, the USB. It's the old Android. It came with the instructions, these little sticky pads. This is my second set I have ordered. It comes with this too. This is magnetic. Look at that. It's just holding on that magnetic. It is strong. You can take the adhesive. I put it on there. Then I put it in a cabinet in my van. I have 4 of these around my van. I have one right here that I use in the morning when I first get up and I don't want a really bright light. I have this below the bed. It's more on the bed. This packet is covering up some of it. It has an on and then it has a sensor mode. That right there is a sensor and then the middle is off. Then you've got an on. It is rechargeable with that cord. This one down below here, I do not have on a sensor. One above my refrigerator, I have a cabinet that I open up the door and the light comes on. Love it.
If you're enjoying this video, make sure that you check out some of my other videos, which I will have linked here. And at the end of this video, I will have 2 other videos linked in the end card. You can check them out. Don't forget to subscribe.
I have 2 other ones on my overhead cab, over the driver's seat and passenger seat, that big area up there. I have not installed lights yet. I have one of these. And then there was another compartment in the back over the bed that has a door onto it, and I have one of these in there. You can use these for drawers. I've seen people just mount it on this and then stick the adhesive right there at the door of the drawer. When you pull it open, the light will come on. It will light up your whole drawer. These batteries last. The one over my bed, which I use roughly 2 or 3 times a month, I probably charge that every 6 months. This one that is above my refrigerator cabinet, I charge about every 2 months. I use this on a daily basis. I have that one on a timer. It goes on and off. For the size of this, it is 190 millimeters or 7.5 inches long. It's very easy to put in lots of locations. The length across this way, the width, is 34 millimeters or 1 1/3 inches. It's like a 1/2 inch. 12.5 millimeters or 0.49 of an inch, just a 1/2 inch. Not thick, very compact, very bright. When I show you the cabinet, you'll see this a lot better. I wanted to show you everything, but let me show you where this one lives full time. If I shut this cabinet, and it should be shutting off any time now. There, it just turned off. Now when I drop this, automatically turns on. When I am using this cabinet, it's for cooking, getting food and supplies out. I don't want to have to find a light, and I really don't want to run electricity down here. This was just putting the foam here, putting this here, then I can move this out if I need to be. Sometimes I hit that light. It really is a simple, just throw it back on there. When we're in travel mode, that light stays right there. Now when we do hit some massive potholes, then it's just a simple putting it back up. Now I keep it like this, that way if I need to get further back in there for some reason, or if I just need this light for something else, it's handy to just pull, take it wherever I need it. This one is the one that I've had to charge probably every 2 months because I get into this cabinet at least once daily, if not 2 or 3 times daily.
Here, in these 2 boxes, right over here and here, are going to be a video that is related to this video, and the other one is the one that YouTube thinks you should watch. Look into that now.